Dilute the yuck. In this meditation, we will practice being open to seeing neutral or positive experiences in the midst of a negative one. This practice can be helpful when we are feeling pain, discomfort, or overwhelmed and can find our experience difficult to tolerate. When this happens, our world can close in and shut out all the things around us that can be comforting and pleasant. As you develop a different attitude towards your discomfort and have a willingness and openness to try new approaches, you will make the surprising discovery that even when we are overwhelmed, there is always something pleasant, even beautiful, that we can find in our experience when we look for it. This might be in the form of some detail in the room that strikes you as beautiful, or maybe some pleasant feeling about the person that you are with, or maybe even some area of your body, a warmth, a softness that you can rest into. Take a moment now to find a comfortable position. If you are sitting, keep your back tall but relaxed. This practice can be done with your eyes open, or if you feel a need to rest deeper into your inner experience, feel free to close your eyes. Begin this practice by noticing your whole body with an attitude of open awareness, allowing your breath to rise and to fall. Release any tension on the out-breath. Just allow your breath to rise and to fall. If some discomfort appears, see if you can gently soften your response towards it, laying into it ever so softly, relaxing your body. Now, expand your awareness to notice your surroundings. Take your time and notice if there is anything that strikes you as even the slightest bit pleasurable around you. Perhaps the lighting in the room, a view out the window, a picture on the wall. Take your time. Notice if any part of your experience can bring you comfort, something that's pleasant. Now see if you can rest into that feeling, allowing that pleasant sensation to expand into your body and softening your muscles, your breath. Notice any sounds around you in this moment, maybe far away or closer, that are pleasant, soothing. Rest your attention on the sounds around you, finding something that brings you comfort, even if just slightly. If it's hard to find comfort in this moment, just rest with your breath, feeling the rise of your chest and the fall, and knowing with certainty your breath is always with you, something you can rely on that is always present. Taking a deep breath in, smelling any smells around you, and noticing a faint scent in the air that might be pleasant, that brings you joy, that might bring you comfort. Maybe there is no scent at all, just breathing. Turn your attention now to your body, scanning for any part that is pleasant, any inch, any centimeter that might be generating comfort. Perhaps a sense of warmth, or maybe a softness. Maybe it's a sense of calm. Just finding it in your body. Taking the time to notice any place, even if the place feels neutral, and resting your attention there. Just breathing, noticing, and resting in the areas of your awareness that are pleasant or neutral. Areas that bring you some small comfort. Diluting your experience can be hard, but with a bit of softness and exploring what's around you, small comforts are often there. When you're ready, you may gently wiggle your toes, wiggle your fingers, and slowly come back to the room, opening your eyes. Thank yourself for the time you took for this practice today, and know that you can always return to this practice at any time.